Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I do have an update about the May spoilers that we found in the back of Joe's video, you know, right behind him when he turns around to get the coffee. I'll refresh your memory by showing you the clip a little bit, but we found out what palette that is, guys. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the benefits of aloe vera. Thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, good afternoon, Mandy. Well, hey there, Jenny. Honey, how was your afternoon going? I hope you're not going too stir crazy. And I really appreciate you coming by to watch the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bound and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are the May sneak peeks that were in Joe's video. You know how he likes to hide stuff behind his Instagram, behind him or something. He'll hide them somewhere in some of his clips, in some of his videos that he posts. Well, this is the one from the other day, and I made another update video thinking, you know what, that can't be the Too Faced palette because you can't see the gold trim. Well, Suzanne over there at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram, and she's also GlamBySuzan right here on YouTube. She thinks she has found out exactly which palette it is, and here is the picture that showed her what it is. So guys, we think this is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Now, this has not been in a past box, so this is a possibility. Because the reason we thought it wasn't base palette is because it was in a past box, and he usually won't show those in his sneak peek, something that's been there before. So guys, this could be it. Now again, that gold trim, I couldn't see it, but still, since she found this in his hand, or whoever's hand that is, it's a big possibility it's this eyeshadow palette. So guys, tell me what you think down in the comments. And if you remember, the other items on that desk is the Too Faced Gold Soleil Bronzer. And then the House Labs, that's a liquid eyeliner. And then over there to the side, that is the Glow Recipe Avocado Mask. So guys, again, as soon as any more information comes out or they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Dawn Osler. I hope I said that right, honey. Anyways, Dawn is telling us how she can mix aloe with green tea for a toner, and aloe and rose water for setting spray, which is like one of my favorite DIYs. I make that myself, and it absolutely works perfectly. So Dawn, thank you so much for sharing that with us, honey, and I really appreciate you coming by to watch the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people. But if you would, check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.